How to fix Amazon Prime Video sign up problem. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, if you are facing that problem, make sure that your application Amazon Prime Video is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store or App Store. At the top search bar, type in Prime Video. If you see open here, that means your application is already updated. But in case you see update, tap on update and update your app. For the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and go for apps. You have to search for Amazon Prime Video. So type in Prime Video, open it, tap on storage, and clear the cache. Now let's go ahead and try again. Launch your application. At this section, you'll see a page like this. Make sure that you toggle on create account / new to Amazon. And here simply type in your first name or last name, phone number, and create yourself a strong password. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt in order to sign up for Amazon account. If you are not being able to sign up, then you can also use your web browser. Open any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with Chrome application. Here type in Amazon Prime sign up. It will show you this link. Click onto it. Once you get landed onto a page like this, tap on start your free